Land surveyors use drones to collect fast, accurate data from above. Here's a simple breakdown of how they use them.
Aerial mapping. Drones take high-resolution photos of the site. Software stitches the images into a detailed map.
Topographic surveys. Surveyors generate elevation models, contours, and 3D surfaces much faster than traditional methods. Large area coverage. Big parcels, farms, and construction sites can be mapped in minutes instead of days. Hard-to-reach places. Drones capture data over steep slopes, wetlands, rooftops, and unsafe terrain without sending someone on foot.
Volume calculations. Stockpiles of dirt, gravel, or debris can be measured precisely using drone-created 3D models.
Progress monitoring. Construction sites are flown weekly to track changes, check grading, and verify contractor work. Orthomosaic images. Drones create centimeter-accurate overhead images that help surveyors align field measurements with real-world conditions. Data for CAD. Everything captured by the drone, points, surfaces, models, is exported into CAD for drafting and analysis. So drones don't replace surveyors. They give surveyors a faster, safer way to collect high-quality data from the sky.